So very welcome everyone to this session of the CodeRefinery workshop where we are going to talk about Jupyter notebooks. I'm here with Enrico, who is manning the stream today and handling that you can all see and hear us. And then we have Hossein and Jarno, who will be instructing today's session. My name is Samantha. I'm the project manager for the CodeRefinery project and just introducing today's topic, and you will also see me briefly in the very end. We're now showing on stream our event webpage where you can always find all the latest news, what is going on. You can also find the questions from previous sessions and what's going to happen in the next session. And if we scroll quite a bit down, there is also the schedule with all the different days. This is the same page where you also all registered. And there you can find behind Jupyter Notebooks, that's the link to today's materials. And then you have gotten an email probably just a few moments ago where we shared also the link to our collaborative notes. So let's switch to that one. So that is the link to our collaborative notes. Again, all the links, also a suggestion on screen setup and our icebreakers. And this is also the place where you can ask questions throughout the session today. And in order to do that, you will need to go into edit mode of this document. So if you arrive at this page, you can look at the very top of the document. There will be either on the left, where it is for Hossein right now, or on the top right, a little pen symbol that turns the page into edit mode. And then you can start filling in the icebreaker. Let us know if you're using paper notebooks, for example, at this moment, or also what is your way of working when you're writing code? Are you having any experiences with Jupyter, for example? And then during the session, like it is happening right now very nicely, someone will add headers to this document and also the links to the respective material session that you can always follow along what Jarno and Hossein are doing at the time. And then you can ask the questions there whenever they come up during the session. One last word about code of conduct, please. Since everyone can edit this document, be nice to one another, be considerate. Everyone here is on a different journey at a different stage in their learning experience. So take that into consideration when you are also answering questions, which you are very free to do if you know the answer to some of the questions that are appearing here. And with that, I'll give over to Hossein and Jarno and have fun with Jupyter today.
Thank you, Samantha.
Thanks.